Hey.
Now let's look for that Easter bunnies.
You were good enough, weren't you? He brought you a basket, didn't he?
Let me see.
I'm recording you. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Where's your basket?
I don't know.
Where does this sit?
Aww. I hope not.
Oh no, go look around some more. That door's shut.
Did you look through all the house downstairs?
Yes.
You did? Oh. Look again.
Oh, I didn't. Whoa, come in here.
It's your Easter basket. Ooh, and look, chalk too. What does that say?
I don't know.
To Amani, Happy Easter. Love your pal, the Easter Bunny. Aww, what did he bring?
He brought chalk.
Bring it to the table. He did bring it.
Yeah.
It's so about to die.
Here, let me help you put it up here.
Ooh, look at all those chalk colors.
Oh.
Wow. Where's mine?
You don't have one.
They're brothers.
He's not born yet.
Aw,
Well, you're the lucky one.
I'm the only one that's here.
Rip it open.
Jelly bean.
Uh-oh. Mom, you're gonna make them fall.
I was trying to open it. Oh, look at the bunny.
Chocolate bunny.
Ooh.
I found almost eggs. I'll share the chocolate bunny.
What does this do?
I gotta